There's never been a better time to bring this painting to auction. Inevitably, what we've been seeing in the Houses of Parliament over the last few months and weeks has become a daily soap opera, not just in the UK, where we're used to watching Question Time, but also across the rest of Europe and indeed the world. The title there is a riff on the idea of a devolved government, but really what he's pointing to here is the regression of the oldest parliamentary democracy in the world into tribalistic, animalistic behaviour, the sorts that we've seen broadcast on our televisions across the world over the last months and weeks.